PayPal, once the undisputed king of online payments, a name synonymous with seamless digital transactions, a pioneer in the fintech landscape, has stunned Wall Street. The financial community is abuzz, analysts are scrambling to revise their models, and investors are taking notice. The reason? PayPal is dramatically raising its profit forecast for 2025. This isn't just a minor adjustment, it's a significant leap, signaling a confidence that many thought was lost. After years of stagnation, a period marked by slow growth and doubts about its future in an increasingly competitive market where new players emerged and consumer preferences shifted, this bold move signals a major turnaround. It's a statement that PayPal is not only back in the game, but is ready to redefine its position. Instead of chasing user growth at all costs, a strategy that often diluted resources and strained infrastructure, PayPal is now laser-focused on making more money. The emphasis has shifted from quantity to quality, from expanding the user base to maximizing the value derived from existing users. This means concentrating on its most active customers and core services, the bread and butter of PayPal's operations, ensuring these areas are optimized for maximum profitability. This strategic pivot is difficult for a company of PayPal's size, a behemoth in the digital payment world, requiring significant organizational changes and a shift in mindset. But it's already generating excitement among investors and analysts who see this as a sign of strong leadership and a clear path to sustainable growth. The new direction is driven by smart decisions, data-driven insights, and a willingness to adapt to the evolving needs of the market. It's a renewed focus on strengths, leveraging what PayPal does best and doubling down on its core competencies. And it's fueled by the impressive performance of assets like Venmo, the peer-to-peer payment platform that has become a cultural phenomenon. We'll break down the CEO's vision, the strategic thinking that underpins this transformation, and the key priorities for the future. We'll delve into the strategies behind this shift, the specific initiatives that are driving growth, and the metrics that matter most. And we'll explore how PayPal is reinventing itself, embracing innovation, and positioning itself for long-term success in a rapidly changing world. From the challenges it's overcome, the obstacles it's navigated, and the lessons it's learned along the way, to the impact on millions of users worldwide, the individuals and businesses that rely on PayPal for their daily transactions. This is a story of resilience and reinvention, a testament to the power of strategic thinking and the ability to adapt in the face of adversity. PayPal's comeback isn't just about numbers. It's not just about revenue and profit margins. It's about redefining what it means to lead in digital payments, setting the standard for innovation, and shaping the future of the industry. Let's dive into the key elements behind this surprising financial revival, exploring the strategies, the decisions, and the vision that are driving PayPal's resurgence. The story of PayPal is one of constant evolution, and right now, the company stands at a crucial turning point. After a period of navigating shifting market dynamics and facing challenges in maintaining its growth trajectory, PayPal's turnaround has a name: Alex Chriss. Taking over as CEO in late 2023, Chriss stepped into a role that demanded a fresh perspective and a strategic overhaul. Chriss brought a reputation for decisive, profit-driven leadership, a quality honed over years of experience in the tech industry. Before joining PayPal, he made a name for himself at Intuit, where he was known for his ability to drive innovation and improve financial performance. He quickly ended PayPal's growth at any cost era, signaling a significant departure from the company's previous strategy. Chriss is shifting focus to profitable growth and core customers, prioritizing sustainable financial health over rapid expansion. This involves a renewed emphasis on understanding and catering to the needs of PayPal's most valuable users. Chriss launched a deep review of operations, leaving no stone unturned in his quest to identify areas for improvement and optimization. He is pushing teams to innovate faster and deliver real value, fostering a culture of creativity and problem-solving throughout the organization. His direct, data-driven style replaced bureaucracy with urgency and accountability, empowering employees to take ownership of their work and contribute to the company's success. The new strategies serve PayPal's most valuable users better and monetize existing platforms more effectively, aiming to extract maximum value from its existing assets. Wall Street has noticed. Chris's clear plan has reignited optimism among investors, who are encouraged by the company's renewed focus and strategic direction, and changed the narrative from stagnation to recovery, signaling a potential return to growth and profitability. By streamlining the business and focusing on what works, Chris is creating a leaner, more efficient organization that is better positioned for long-term success. Chris is the architect of PayPal's bold 2025 profit forecast, setting ambitious targets for the company's financial performance. His leadership is the catalyst behind PayPal's renewed momentum, driving the company forward with a clear vision and a strong sense of purpose. The company's future now rests on this focused, disciplined approach as PayPal seeks to solidify its position as a leader in the digital payments landscape. For years, PayPal chased user growth, ballooning to over 400 million accounts, but many were inactive or unprofitable. Under Chris, that's changed. The new mantra, profitable growth. PayPal now prioritizes quality engagement over sheer numbers, focusing on its most active, revenue-generating users. Resources are being invested in features with clear paths to monetization, while underperforming products are being cut. The goal, a leaner, more efficient business that earns more from every transaction. This disciplined approach allows for better revenue prediction and cost control. By doubling down on its most lucrative business lines, PayPal is building a more resilient, sustainable model. The shift marks a new chapter, one focused on consistent, predictable profits over vanity metrics. It's the engine behind PayPal's optimistic 2025 outlook. PayPal's new strategy zeroes in on two powerhouses. This isn't just a minor adjustment. It's a fundamental shift in how the company is allocating its resources and focusing its efforts. Venmo and its U.S. checkout business are now at the forefront. These two segments represent the most promising avenues for growth and profitability. Instead of spreading resources thin across numerous ventures, which can dilute impact and slow progress, PayPal is investing heavily in these core services, channeling significant capital and expertise to maximize their potential. This concentrated approach allows for deeper innovation and more effective market penetration. The U.S. checkout button remains the bedrock, the foundation upon which much of PayPal's success has been built. It's trusted by millions for fast, secure online payments, providing a reliable and familiar experience for consumers. Improvements like faster checkouts, reducing friction and cart abandonment, and seamless buy now, pay later options are making it even more attractive, catering to evolving consumer preferences and boosting sales for merchants. Venmo, once hard to monetize and primarily used for peer-to-peer transactions, is now a key growth engine, rapidly expanding its user base and revenue streams. New features, like debit and credit cards, which extend Venmo's utility beyond the app, and business payments, are turning Venmo users into revenue generators, creating a more sustainable and profitable ecosystem. By focusing on these two areas, PayPal is playing to its strengths, leveraging its existing infrastructure and brand recognition. This includes a mature, profitable U.S. market and a massive, engaged Venmo user base, providing a solid foundation for future expansion. This two-pronged approach solidifies PayPal's core business, ensuring stability and consistent revenue generation, all the while unlocking Venmo's huge financial potential, tapping into a younger demographic and a rapidly growing market segment. The result, a powerful, focused path to growth, with clear objectives and measurable outcomes. PayPal is betting big on what it does best, and it's paying off, demonstrating the effectiveness of a focused and strategic approach. The company's future hinges on these strategic pillars, making their performance critical to PayPal's overall success. Let's see how the numbers back up this bold move, examining the key metrics that will determine whether this strategy is truly a winning one. Venmo's transformation is already showing up in the numbers. The app's revenue jumped 20% last quarter, a clear sign that monetization efforts are working. Features like instant transfers, business profiles, and payment cards are driving this growth. Venmo's total payment volume is at a 3-year high, with users making larger, more frequent transactions. Debit and credit cards turn everyday spending into revenue for PayPal, while business profiles generate transaction fees. These initiatives are converting engaged users into profitable customers. Venmo's success is a cornerstone of PayPal's 2025 profit forecast. As more features roll out, Venmo's contribution will only grow. Wall Street is taking notice. PayPal's numbers are telling a story of real momentum. PayPal's journey hasn't been smooth. The pandemic brought explosive growth, but as life normalized, growth slowed and competition intensified. Tech giants like Apple and Google, plus nimble fintech startups, crowded the digital payment space. PayPal faced pressure to defend its core business and keep up with fast-moving rivals. For a while, it seemed to lose its edge, product development lagged, and the stock price fell. The new strategy, focusing on core strengths and profitable users, is a direct response. By doubling down on trusted checkout and Venmo's engaged base, PayPal is regaining stability. Strategic clarity is helping PayPal chart a profitable course through fierce competition. PayPal's comeback plan is already in motion and delivering results. Streamlining the checkout experience has made PayPal faster and easier for consumers, reducing abandoned carts for merchants. New value-added services like Buy Now, Pay Later, and personalized rewards are enhancing the platform for both shoppers and businesses. For merchants, better analytics and fraud protection add real value. Venmo's monetization is accelerating, with debit and credit cards turning users into revenue sources. Early results: rising revenue, higher engagement, and a raised 2025 profit forecast. Execution is key, but PayPal's disciplined focus is rebuilding its foundation for long-term growth. The company is proving it can adapt and thrive in a changing market. What does this mean for everyday users? Expect faster, more seamless checkouts, and smarter, personalized offers when you shop with PayPal. Venmo is evolving into a versatile digital wallet, letting you pay online, in stores, and even earn rewards. Some changes, like more prompts for financial products or new fees for premium features, may appear as PayPal seeks profitability. The core functions remain free, but value-added services will drive new revenue. For active users, the experience will be richer and more rewarding. For casual users, PayPal and Venmo will offer more options to deepen engagement. The platforms are becoming indispensable financial tools for millions. PayPal's raised 2025 profit forecast is more than a financial update. It's a statement of renewed purpose. The company's pivot to profitable growth, led by Alex Chriss, has replaced uncertainty with optimism. Strengthening U.S. checkout and unlocking Venmo's potential are now the pillars of PayPal's revival. Users can expect faster checkouts, more features, and better rewards as PayPal invests in its best products. The focus on core customers is driving engagement and profitability, a win-win for users and shareholders. Competition remains, but PayPal's strategy is clear and effective. Early results are promising, and the company is poised for smart, sustainable growth. PayPal's best days may still be ahead as it redefines leadership in digital payments.